There are ample opportunities available as far as the games, sports, extracurricular activities, hobbies, and various other activities that are concerned. The top management is from the armed forces. There is facility for educational tours, NCC, various camps, etc. Then you have organized competitions where you get to participate in a number of activities. You develop a lot of qualities that we are looking for in the SSB. You have a very balanced diet, nutritious as well as balanced diet. And there is a guidance available to you, which is not available to many of the other candidates.